Welcome, here I've got iPhone 13 mini and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and here we are. Now in the preview we can see the grid lines. To turn them on we have to get out from the camera and move to the settings button. And here we have to slide a little bit down and find the camera option. When we pick it, we get access to more advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on composition. At the first position here we have the grid, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off the camera grid lines as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. When we move back to the camera, we have they in the preview. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments in composition at our picture. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to move back to settings, tap to the grid to turn them off, and for now in the camera preview the grid lines have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.